the history ne dia no ono na wo mu nkyeremu yi neso Dormaahene be so kire say sikadwa kofi ne konfa no chinsensem no ono ete Bono enimu se na Asantefo ema obeka nsem enra enso we kan in fact social media Asantefo ne bo afu pa Asantefo na dwa ama we ye part 2 of this particular because no bro part 1 part 2 no Asantefo na nkasa abamu bi na mo be di agima bedu djuma o ma be di ne djuma e mo nchima ka hawe ne so mema wonchire mu no atwara adwuma me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me say ni di mo over like video no ada ma subscribe button so na be click the notification icon no latest update na be tell wa agenda ma me e wo comment section me so baso no a share video mo post enya bi ahye enti yanka bi hye ye nyina nim the history of Asante kingdom na no poku wa the first or no konfa noche what as obri konfo konfa noche a command ma sikadwa efri wiem eba efie da wiakete command podi affair wiem ema sikadwa eba a eno na ya Asante suman ye suman ye bosom kase ya brempon honhom a tai Asanteman echi boy chi dom pampe ma ye bibia ye sikadwa efri wiemu ene baaye Asante a history we are the custodians of the history Asante for better history ni ya tretiremu ye unti ase akomenhia himfie enumu ananra out of nowhere Bono phone aforme ade be friend Bono champion omze boten say omo de be promote Bono ama Bono anya ne nto apafra Bono aye krabahwe said Asante etima promote Asante ama Asante etu hwa wiasa fana ba bi Asante tu hwa ekonanim omo so aforme Bono champion so e promote Bono ama Bono aye fe na omo ko certain on the 14th of August I don't call certain
the woman, Yaya the moon, Nadisa, yet you need Mabiati. Now, you won't say the woman. Bono champion cancer, I can't move peace. Bono champion cancer, a problem date, Thursday, August 14, 2025. Venue, Bono champion for Chima, Bono. Theme: restoring the pillars of Bono unity, culture, and progress.
The Najma bedo see the second Doma odikru ebe jina ne o kasa no so church nsem bo history kakra odikru ngwa kasa sikadwa na Asantefo di edi dwo manum no enya no kre na fake o ma le koye obia ntimi nkasa ma bibi mfre esoro emma bibia de den enya hwan saa no keka no hono
Greater Accra that's in the free Eastern region what is Eastern region for be jajo Germany, nani tishe Austria and Hungary. Hono free buy. What is Austria and Hungary? Better jajo. America. No say UK for Britain for us. Never. But yes superpower. That can be kabimwa. What is a better jajo? Obia catch us say. You bet me come conform to say me I'm a baby free sura ajma badu anto so eni no kra na no kra ya kan sikaja kofi no be yidi ba dwam no won hu say no ba so Who say ba so?
Yeah.
Ana okura ya kan sikaja kofi no be yidi ba dwam no. Yeah. Who say na ba so?
Yeah.
Who say ba so?
Yeah.
Mpampa ho so e.
Me hu ye. Anka wo promote wo Bono. Na wa hweso promote wo de. Na wa for me Bono champion. Na u meeting. Ho na wo ko attack obi kingdom. Asantehene reply back and Asantehene Pemanson. Come on, like what is all this about? What is all this about? And you don't mind if what today say. Asantehene na ye kura history no. Ye nim history ye kura. Or no na nim history no. Na ye na ye dia no. Ye ka ho bakose wo wunyi ni. Wo na wo tu be wo na betrim na ye na ye nyini. Sesenti wo kwati wo hene fa. Me na me ma me wo dem. Ana wo owu da me nsa so. Ana me ba me kire mu se me ma me iwo no. Na ehuro etua na no. Wa wo furu ba bi ba a wa hu bi. Wo se onya no kre. O ma me iwo na ehuro bi entua na no. Na wa dwen adwuma de. Wa dwen adwuma. Oku kan se we kire hwan ba dwen ba ne bete wasamase. Do no one history. Adinisi esi nanim pe na wo nyina ho. De esi onu nanim. Kan wo nyini. Wa bete hu bi obi atwe ne nkwase ade bagu be ma wo kenkai bi. Obi de jealousy ahụ ya akwatwetwe ne nkwase asan wo kenkan bi. Wo na wo be ka ye nyini. Sesei esi mu sei. Man si we no me ka kire wo sei. Asante mi bia no wote ade wi ade bo bejo so da. Ne bonyo so. And because of that no. Trouble colors. Any TikTokers. Asantehene no. Abehu bi na o ma address admabado. O ma put it to his place.
Who be this? Dormaahene. Yeah. And I do my brother say that.
Obia catch you say. You bet me come.
Hey.
On point to say me, I'm going to be a sure.
Ragazzi asamaba be nanajima be bedu be frefre be ntokwa be asante ntokwa ne be ntokwa na be frefre nanajima bedu sometimes utimi ya de bi wo hono ma uma me di ho ya opa me pe wasa me feel ya wa hana brofu ikofa bible de bra ye say eye yohani e de poma ebu nsuom eno kwa yohani Moses whatever it is or the poma echire nsuo mu ema nsuo no mu ebie ye amene na mafo kora bi mo say eye kote ne etwe odi bom na mu bie kokko saa na bi mu ekeka ya ka saa asem no se Moses e de poma chire nsuo nim no nana be ye Kristo ni baaje adi na se be ka se be konfo no che ebe chamte ma be sikadwa kofi be firi soro ba ema be Asantehene be tena so a eno de wunyi ni because be firi Otumfuo palace nana ye mu bi ye respecto e wo hono mo ana hwe na udin e kofoma na be pese kofre be ntoko bi a be so ni mfaso ba sam bai be mfataw na jade wo ye no sometimes be ya be niam bi se ya na be 50-54 no be hu de be nye be jai be nya fe kra be nya fe se wuni mu a Asante history no ba kire se sikadwa kofi no ye mfa kra mpie nkwa abonten ehedem de mumu hunu ye no eye mutation a Asantefo ya ye de baba ba kire ba de konfo no che be komfri be soro ba ye no be mfa nkire be nipa entini se be nima be kosua Asante amamre because be interesting we interest omu too much Otumfuo tene be bi on kan asama wo kan emfa manhia hu ba bia be toto bomb be to ba ko bo na be esu be jaisa be handsome man but sometimes be yensem bia be hu hia eya munya isa na mfata mo nana wachi egu ho arrivederci
nsensem bi trend wo social media no so ba everywhere Ghana nyina eko eroho ni sumto ye no ebi nya daaje ebekirikiri nsem bim helicopter afa amanu empanyinfo de wono ku baabi antuma nkudu ede eyi ne kesiese bre my Ghana ye gye ye wono ato he watamfo eye denya no ye watamfo sisi denya ne hu bebi to chima anase ne hu ni pe firi mu a na wo ye obi a badaye anase odo wo mu a na wo nkaya eye wo ya nansenya ye nyewura Asantehene otokokɔ so nana yebu emu ase ohima obatampa ne nufu suo so Asanteman ne Ghana no okwa akura obi edi ho bobu ahemfo dwentwe kwan mofa so a eye na otweda no omatuto ne ma yie no hu bra omofa so metumi eye yie no ebi mu nam social media no so say konfo bi ni ho a obetuma kɔ ama biribiri firi soro abafo na da no sikedwe kofia o yi pie no na ya mo hu se ya soso na me pese me bisa se me se mi sawo me sra mi bisa wo se yetimi soso gold bomu a weda fotimi soso gold a mo bo gold ano ebi ya mo ho no na wona esoso nnade ma menka na sanen tiase na ye adwuma wona esoso nnade aye fere weda fo no ebi ya munni originals ewo ho anase international ones wo ho a ahade ye wo akunyini fo wo ho a omanim adwuma ne ye na momfa mmra na yenka ye humbum kɔ na omo soso mfa mmo ani ne yenhwe good yansoso sikadwo fina ye nyina ye bete ho abakɔsem no according to ninti a me asibi mi frɛ asantefo sɛ omo ya aborɔfo no nye kala ne ne nipadua wo eye adwenem nyini a wono mu adwenem nyini ɛwɔ bidibi ho ɛne ye frɛ obi na ye hwɛ ne aborɔfo no ye na ye frɛ saa afɔ sɛ mo hye sa trapwe ana sa afɔ mo hye wo buroni yansem no onkyere ne secret ema wo hu ba wie ne secret wo sikadwa ko fira wo hu ne saa no se ne ya hwe no TV ne sokura na se hwe no wo phone so ne app ji sokura na ada di hodo miensa yes ada di hodo miensa na e wo se timi da di hodo miensa nso first one ada di a na wo hu a ne difference wo mu a e wo se a present Asanteman second one no I was a present Otumfuo hinie. Third one no, I was no so a dan hudi. Just schedule kufina munkasa. Na good, we hear me tea cry good, it is so to say me tea. A baye de no dance it to maswa. I think I wouldn't good wait. This is schedule kufini wo ha. Ntika omo ko ba bia ka yenso sa schedule kofinu na eso omo dese na santefo no de kire say eniwo nto de ade omo de aba no wo hu say e fake no ampa e fake ba original one wo ho yemfa mbekire wo nso original one wo ho yemfa mbekire wo e wo ho yemfa mbekire wo ye de fake na wo mo asoso mo hofo no mo ho okuro mo ho weather fo na wo ho akaka bo mu no ono mom na de bekire ne mo original one na mu kasa no yemfa mbekire because of say adesua e wo hoi yasonse na obi asesua de ne mo to de bia e bi disua mu no ye nyina atena se hu atu se akwara we wabon
we Ghana nkomo abusua hwe video we bra tel na ye ni nkomo men ko ba bia
na I will go to the yes. Obia catch yourself. The better man come from foreign designing and will be able to show I got now Brian Sikaja ko fin be di ba dem mo mo san ba so
Nana wadaroma eye mpani mu an makoma sem bi ato honom se waye bi ajai ne mmom yɛnka so ayɛ bi atoa so ɛyɛ deɛ wayɛ na ɛyɛ twa so ɛntoto na ɛba Asante ɛne nipakuo bi a ɛfiri wo kurom ɛne some parts of Bono no ɛnyɛ sapa ɛna wotwade ato hɔ nom no sɛ ɔhene a woyɛ man hene kɛseɛ nsɛm wei mu bi na nke yɛse yɛnka bi san sɛ meyɛ nipa baako a m'ani nye saa tribalism ne saa ethnocentrism na wefiri ha na wesusu sɛ me na meyɛ superior na wesusu sɛ me deɛ me kyɛn saa ne ma no ade a na nka yɛ mu bi ani nye ho but baabi a ɛkɔ no ɛkɔ bunu mu dodo me a mete ha mete aseɛ ti a mete aseɛ ne sɛn menim sɛ you are riding on the shoulders of Asante, particularly the Asante king, for fame. So that they will stay relevant. But you know very well there are certain people they will not take kindly to sad Adiana Oyeno. We program our koye and Kesaka a programmer ultimately projected Bono champion project. A very good initiative na maye. Adena instead of so the project sa adeno. Rather okwa minim se program akọ na flop nti ene ya memfa ho na menyusu Asante ne said be ya meyusu Asante na me de be set sa agenda na manfo adwene aba me so eno kwa na wadaroma enye good agenda setting ena o set ye no agenda setting no ohene wadaroma nti ase ne ni honom nti ase ye enye sabone ka hu se ya wawa ye ho ye nyina ade baako we free ha no fa so bia ni etu kwan bedi amanone a ye bodi a ye se wo free he wo se mi free Ghana yam kase we se mi free Dormaahene kro ni kase we su mi free ahafu Kenya ase na we susu mi free bekwai na we susu mi free adanse na we susu mi free kwabre da bi anam ye sekireni anam free brekum anam free drobo yan kanisa o si mi free he o si o mi free Ghana efe ohene mi si usu biem ya se aye bi ajai yan kase aye bi atoaso de o ye no saboni na utwa no enya de papa Macron.
Na I will go to the yes. Obia natural say. The better man come from to say me and will be able to show I got now Brian Sikajapo in the bar.
Hey, Dormaahene we de we wini. Okaze we hwe omo no. Okaze we no Abono Traditional Council is a Bono champion, is a Bono champion international organization. Afre na himfu nyina no mabe twom ho ahia. Omabua no nchimku. And you know they talked about Ashantis, talked about Ashanti history, talked about Ashanti region. How special are we? Dormaahene we the way we know be our obsession with them. Who be though? Obsession with me. Baby, me who be that? William, yeah. I'm on for tagging me about this Bono Asanteman, and I said I don't give a fuck. It's not worth it. Yema bibia hype too much. Unim. Bibia Asantehene drew on. And yes, bibia near money hype. Because you will be one they are truly obsessed with the Asante name and omo ye meeting cry about development near Mbema. Enfa. Bono champion organization limited. Omo no.
Oshe
Andra me post now. Now me board the organizers of the Bono Festival. I think the beautiful initiative that ought to be supported by all well-meaning Ghanaians. But notwithstanding, senior mekayano, bibi yachia. I'm shini ya enipa baako etamfo ba be ye dodo no atamfo na empanyfo eni kwase motena se ma no koba no se mami ka bibi ncho dwumadie na course obuno no they were this high profile man hina omantimi ankobi say if ufiri bono na say we enye border it doesn't bother you then I do not know what you're looking for mami ka bibi ncho hwe osagefo ampem eye wenchi man hine he was not there. Do you know why? I will tell you. Nana also sechi Basi, that is also double as a Bono East Regional House of Chief President. He was also not there. Pim and Pim Nana Yao Cabre is it Cabre se Yeji Mahine was also not there. Nana Kwame Bafo, a young Kraza Mahine was also not there. Or Saber Mabonsier Apo, that is a maintain Mahine was also not there. Obrimpong the crew techi or whatever Obrimpong crew techi that is Abasi Mahine was also not there. These are high profile Mahine within the Bono is and a half that were supposed to be there at the Bono Festival. The question that all of us need to be asking ourselves, why were they not there? If he say Enipa ba could be, I don't know for whether it is for his personal interest. And a mudo don't want to dinechi. If he say, Anka Bono Champion Council share ya Bono Regional House of Chief President in your platform. Nana mi fisi bia obe articulate problems a wasa region send a bayer or mining penny pokra ni eat ya obeti me who no abamwa. Nenso he decided to take us over the Golden Stool. What are the Golden Stool got to do with Bono Champion Council meeting? As soon as Kanya Manukusi say, the last time the Golden Stool was actually displayed, it looked weird, as if say you're weird. Meanwhile, so no nana way so bar. Kama a jetchana edinim. May Musa say, and you find a who say Kama Timakofa jetchana. Sanyama way moon and more Ghana. And he said, Yempenfo kase obi no odin nsabem kumbeche ne papa fia. This is what it is because nana ne wo ye ubema emofra bi a shebi omani nso ade they will come at you and it need not to happen this way. Senka we nana we o hini penyini o hini kese lawyer kese sisi akramatesi say ya promote you course appeal court or whatever. And anka was you have to speak unity. The Golden Stool is considered to be the soul of Asante. Do you think that you can attack it and people wouldn't come at you? It is not. This is not the best, and I don't know why more for or my for in nasi. All these things will be happening, and you guys are clapping. Though it might not be coming from you, but the memory will be aiding and abetting. The fact that you guys are sitting there, now when all of you support this, then what it means is although you are Asantehene automatically becomes Asantehene. And is that what we need as a people? I've been telling you these things that say, Omani etnemuno, say Ghana bit yeah, we all and me sure say. I was here to make a boom, near to be paba, was any bay and ye should be a car Santia Cabuna Santia Ghana, a car a Dagomba Ghana, a can't be a Nanky nating a carbon near Baco. Can't we do that? Yeah, young painful did domain. And it's a divisive tactics here, the TBF when you sign the idea where you grow mana. You do unto others as you wish them to do unto thee. Now, karma is real. You might think that today you are doing it to Asante. It will come back to hurt you big time, I'm telling you. It might not even start the time I watch you. This seed that we are planting today, let us be careful. Because I don't know about a best one, ye dear Enkoye watching. Another man. Oh, you are such a respectable personality. Don't allow yourself. Me say, if you have any personal issue with Manshia, find an honorable, civil way to let Impenfor sit down and sort out the issues. Don't be throwing some of these things out. It doesn't help you, it doesn't help me, it doesn't help Mother Ghana. If indeed President Mahama is your president, he is your friend, I think that he needs peace in order to govern this country peacefully. Look at what is already happening to the president and look at what you're also adding. Ghana is mourning. Ghana is now need peace more than any other thing. But when your platform be now, you want to attack people that will come and attack you tomorrow. tomorrow. So that they just talk Bono ni Asante. What do you get, Nana? What do you get? And are you not tired of what you are doing? Are you know, if somebody is not telling you, let me tell you, Nana, respectfully. We respect you. See, chieftaincy is supposed to be a revered institution. After the politicians, the clergymen, all the institutions of conscience has actually feel that. And Kamona Muye, the only one standing. Nana, do not bring it down. Don't bring it down. Nanya Uye, and a dear Nin chairman share. Near Uye in a dear soon in a commensia. Near Uye, Neman and Shakas. What's that to say? Oh, come and share now, dear Santina, oh, grass Asantehene, and Yene. Asante Baba for one car perform. When you mention no, only pioneer in ye. Say, bet me and Nana. Young fast from Jenny or Donio Casa. Say, Bibimpo, I want to say, I have said it. Let's sit down. Jojo is always better than war. This thing wouldn't bring anything to anybody. I hope you will take my advice in good faith. Let nobody come here and insult nobody, because now it is clear that even when you pass a comment under somebody's post and it doesn't go well with somebody, national security will be waiting for you. So if you come here and insult, I will report you, because we are not insulting nobody. We want peace for mother Ghana. Should the Ghana come? Until baby, we need peace more than war. We need peace more than any other time in the life of this country called Ghana. So if you love President Mahama, some of these things should not be coming from you. Enough is enough. I rest my case. Have a great day. God bless you. I'm sitting down. I'm out of here.
Their kids will keep their legacy.
Dear question, a BS be a chum. Said the yen nanum. Chenebo akuduanom ya asantewanom konfonochenum osechiripinum nana agema prempemo sede omudi omunyansa omahoden eto ho ekoje Asanteman eye history to ho na yetie bia tiu yetie bia ena enya nkwasiafo bi guo se enye no kore ene ade no wonim say that omu pension said any makers yen nananom adu mumoja to ho kekere Asanteman ye history a na ya beti bie no omu ene omu se enye no kore no jimie saa no mu nananom data omu nananom na ho saa no mu ye ya ene omu ni history no ai eno no mu nananom ye ya omu ni history no oh ye penso still ye guso set records ye guso ye history Queen Elizabeth eba Asanteman Obama ba ye no aba Asanteman George Bush ba no aba Asanteman Bill Clinton ba no aba Asanteman ewiase panyini bia ba Ghana oba Asanteman said ye Otumfuo ye nana mebodi na kan sempia said ye nani abre a oye amamre ne amanne etutu niema ekekira Asanteman ma Asanteman eye de na eye hwam na etumpon no on se ne enya nkwasiafo bi omgu a omu kasa sikadwa ya soso na nya no kre no ahwani no omu nananom penso saa no mu ye nti omu nananom penso saa no mu twato ho no eno ana na omu nam so years to come yan hwe bewu akọ ama ye mane nananom aba replace ye mane nananom beba be ka history ye hwe ba ye hwe be ye saa no mu so nananom enananom omu mane omu nananom ebeba be the same thing omu nanan ye ya o enya no kre omu boa ne ho ahwani nti omu de omu ba wiase no enya ade a history omu be mekibi negative ones nko anu be nti munya na papa no de onu wasi jimie kwan so no so onwu ya agisa daka mnem ne bitima stop no on se ne wo keka ena sikadwa obi enu okomande man free shiro bae ena na omu yi ba abanti unhu se ba so jimie saa munya no nana no ba beto aso yenhwe be kwa ma yenhwe mane nana no ba beto ade ye so onwe ne de wi aye kasa amosi ya no ya ye kafo ne ade no ye mane nana no kwado wo bom be kafo kora chen ye mane nana no omuka no mano be ya kora chen ai enen sem na ye kana ofise bi a asantefo enkwada wo mano ya ena omuka fo ne ade me say ye mane nana no o mano be ya kora chen ebedu na mugimi no moboa mapakiji da ho na mo mane mo nana no masa be biem na ye so de records ne history ne ade na ye so ye kekere to no ye mabba be biem a kire mo manom ye nana no ba be biem a kire mo nana no na mo nana no de jimi na mo kekere to ho na so de jimi na sa yi ano o anya no kore o mo boa sa eno a ne be koso nti papa ne de me si munja no ono ade ye betima stop na ya adaka mena 6 feet asa bibia no betima stop no me mama kwankyerɛ sɛ momfa no mra Asanteman no behunu nyansa bepem no yahwɛ anim asɛ kabode no beba mamfa na ama enti wono no sesei no de ye twɛn sɛ obemu na hwe ɛno ano no mo de asɛm American yɛse sɛ internet wɔ hɔ yɛma ne nana no beba no na internet no wɔ hɔ ensɛm a me Yesu ba meti American yɛma no ne nana no beba betie omuka sɛ eyi ye papa ye nana ye wofa Yesu ba wo ka asɛm bi sɛ yo ampa bam ɛna asɛm ye record na me so me ya to me so me seti ato sɛ yɛma ne nana no ba betie sɛ asɛm we ebeka sɛ tama ye nana no no adi ani bre nyansa ani ani ɛkyekyere Asanteman no mo so mo nana no mo de jimi ɛna ɛka wo anya no korɛ o mo boa ɛna se mo de ye ka ye history no de mo the best na mo betima ya ne sɛ mo betena kyira ka sɛ mo boa anya no korɛ enti mo de mo ba wi asɛ mo ba ya no me ma mo ni tie
Obeto achire wa adwene ama me. Ewo comment section. E ka me say adwuma badu. Opese booking for next week. Adwuma badu pese booking for next week. Opese o mo booking no. Enta adwuma badu pese o ope trend. Esa adwuma badu no trend ye ne de. Trend eye ne fe. Ara say. Ese nana we as a trend eye ne fe. Sana me hu as ope trend. There be opese obi in the media space. As say enye media so wa be didi ama wa trend ya. Obi a Dormaahene di ne asana hini na be ya konya ketewa bi it there be age say obe cause confusion on the media na there be an din trend because nansi a ojai yi no all me attack Asante no ara say na me kwa mentini di Otumfuo na trend Otumfuo na be bia yi ni mu no ba se there be a person di no ho onu akasa come on tira adwuma me e wo comment section aha Penyah Media aka